Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. So let's start the analysis for the gold for tomorrow. From today, as per UAE time, today is 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. We'll start from today until tomorrow, and let's discuss. Before that, we will see the replay of the chart, and we'll clear this all the drawing. We'll go to 4-hour candle, and we'll see how the market came from here, this pattern. Okay, so let's see the pattern how it goes. Okay, let's start. We'll select this reply, and let's play the chart. Okay, so we'll see here how the market goes. Let's speed up little bit. Okay, see the market came here, and it took the support from this position, right? It took the support, it came up. And guys, it's totally about understanding the chart only. So here what we can see is, you see here what the chart did. It just consolidate this part, consolidate this part, and give the strong bearish candle. Okay, so let's play again, and then it's again came down and it's hit the support on, you can see it's hit the support on this support. It's hit on this support, and again it's pulled back. So from here what we can learn is the market normally moving on the pattern. You can see the pattern you can see is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and again it's going to come back lower low, right? So let's see the chart how it goes, how it took the retest again. See, it took the retest again here, and again it's came down. All right, so here it is a last support he took, and from here it's went up. Am I right, guys? So today is the 30th June, and currently the market in this position. So let's analyze the market now, how it goes. So we'll mark the support, the last swing which is happened, and from there it's went up. This is the position here. See, this multiple touches happen here. So we'll mark this candle here, and this is the lowest support which mark I have marked here, and this is the um, strongest resistance I have marked here. Okay, so let's go to the 15-minute chart, and we'll see how the market worked from here. Okay, we'll clear this. Okay, so guys, I'm not taking any EMA, anything, just I'm following the pattern, and I'm giving you the analysis for today. Okay, so what happened today? So market, what happened today? So market came down, it retest lower low, sorry, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. It's here, it came on the same level, right? The market came this on the same level. Let me change the chart. The market came on this same level here. See, so what it formed? It formed a W pattern, right? It forms a W pattern, and then what he did today, what market did, it came here, consolidate, its breakout, its retest, and now he's trying to do, he's trying to go up here, right? But it will not go directly here. What it will do, most probably the chances are it will, so if you can see this position is having again a strong resistance. So if it is break, what will happen, it will go from here, it will break out, then higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? This is the chance. Otherwise, if we go to the 4-hour chart, we will see 4-hour chart, this is the candle. See, this is the chart which is not showing exactly fully buying candle, right? So we will wait, there are more 4 hours to go to complete, there are more 3 hours almost to complete this candle, right? So there is one more chances are there. I'll go to the 15-minute chart again. There is a one more chances are there, it has to retest on this level to take the liquidity, right? This zone, right? This zone, there is this zone is still uh, virgin, you can say. I'm saying virgin because it did not retest it here. So there is a one more chance. If it's retest here, it will give a fake breakout and then come down here and then it will go up. Okay, these are the chances. Today's until tomorrow the analysis, right? So let's mark the proper line and let's draw the proper line from here until tomorrow. Okay, so let's go to 4-hour chart again, mark this candle here. Okay, mark this candle here, the last hit. Okay, it most probably it will come to retest, most probably it will come to fill this part also because here is a gap is there. So most probably it will come to hit here, but it will take some time most probably. Otherwise we'll mark it till here. Okay, sorry, we'll mark it till here, and if it is break this part, then it will come to hit this part. So another, we will, the second target we will put it this one, and this is the, I will put it here first target, this is the second target. Most probably it will take some time to go here. We'll go to the 15-minute chart, see what will happen now. See what happened now. It took, if you can see, this is live trading, is live market is going on now, and this is the, it took the support resistance from here and it is coming down, right? So it is very risky to trade at this position currently. We'll mark this part. Okay, this is the order block. Okay, there is a chances the market will come this part, so we will mark this one also. This we can see order block. Okay guys, this is the order block. I'll put this in the middle center. Okay, this is the order block, and this currently it is playing here only, this part. Okay, so the first target is this, second target is this is the support zone. We will wait here until the market come. Okay, and then from here we will buy, we'll take the buy position. Okay, from here we'll take the buy position, and one second guys. Okay, we'll take the buy position from here till here. This is the first target, and the SL will put it here. This is the liquidity grab, this part, this is liquidity grab, so it is very difficult to break down this candle. Okay, and the second target is the same thing. Yeah, okay, and this is the SL. So this is the analysis, my analysis for now. Okay, until tomorrow we'll see, we'll wait, and let's discuss again tomorrow. See you guys, take care, and happy trading.